Hi, so we are continuing on with our series. We have done the funnel or the this is based off of Russell Brunson's funnelology, his frameworks. I have decided to create my custom GPTs for each one to make it a lot easier and with my own spin on it. So we have done all the way up until now we're at the lead funnel. Our last one was the value ladder that we created. And I'm creating this off my own business so I can show you how I do it. So the last one, we have to now create the lead funnel, which would be for this first stage here. The Brandvoice workbook funnel that I have for free that takes people through the Brandvoice GPT, your ideal client, your buying belief and reframe GPTs, and your values statement. All 5 of those GPTs they're free, but I also show a video like this to show how you use them. And so I had already tried to tape this once, and for some reason my internet was stalling out on me, so I had to start over. So I already kind of have stuff here, but what I did was I did the @ symbol and I pulled up the lead funnel builder right here, and I asked it to create my lead funnel for my freebie, and it did. So it did this. It said, your goal, AI can sound human, and I want this system for my brand. My free offer is the Brandvoice Ideal Client Buying Belief GPT and Reframer, and the Value Statement GPT in the video. So it came up with a funnel structure, a really simple lead magnet. That's all you need. You do not need anything that's elaborate for your freebie. It came up with a headline: make AI sound exactly like you, free Brandvoice workbook funnel, and then unlock my free GPT system that helps coaches and creators train AI to write with your real tone, values, and voice. No tech skills required. And then you're going to have a form for them to fill out, right? You can also add credibility to that lead funnel if you'd like, create your brand voice in minutes. So, yeah. So then it gives you the thank you page. Headline: you're in, your Brandvoice workbook funnel is on its way. Short video if you want, 1 to 2 minutes thanking them. So then it gives you kind of almost like a script to follow, and a button. Then underneath it gives you a follow-up email sequence. Deliver the workbook and quick win video, case study or testimonial story. Invite your AI Brandvoice setup call or page, before and after story. Okay, so those are going to give you some emails to send out, which if you have high level is really easy to do. And then you've got, this is your messaging framework: false belief, AI can't sound human, it'll make my brand fake. True belief, AI can sound human when it's trained to reflect your authentic voice. My freebie equals proof of that belief. Okay. So how this connects to your value letter: it shows you your freebie Brandvoice workbook funnel, build belief and trust. My next one is AI Brandvoice setup, and then my core offer and my premium. So yeah, so that is, and then I can actually write your actual page copy and all your emails out if you want, but it's up to you. But anyway, I hope this helps.